guys, this is Ansab and you are watching Nerdy Ansab YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how you can install Netbeans version 9 on your system. So before proceeding further, just remember that Netbeans version 9 is still in development phase and you will be using its beta version. So it is not officially released, and there may be some reasons why you want to use new version of Netbeans, that is version 9, because the previous version, Netbeans version 8, does not support the current version of Java, that is Java version 10. So users have to roll back to version 9 or version 8 to use Netbeans version 8. So in this video we will see how you can install Netbeans version 9 on your system, and you can use it with Java version 10 without any problem. So let's see how you can install it. So first open your browser and go to Netbeans download page. So type in your address bar netbeans.apache.org, and this is our Netbeans homepage, Netbeans 9 homepage, and you can get this link from you my description also. And now just go to the download section. Here is our download button, and you can see we have our the beta release, which was on 22nd February 2018, and have a RC1 release on 28th May of 2018. You can download the latest release from here. So just click on this app, Apache NetBeans 9.0 RC1, uh, and here you can see the downloading heading. So this is our source file, and this is a binary file, so you need to use binary file, and just click on binary. And now you can see these HTTP download links. This is EU and this is US, so you can download from any mirror. So just click on download and just click on start download. I have already downloaded it, so I am just not downloading it now. So when you after your download, go to your download location, which is probably your download folder if you haven't changed it, and you can see this Netbeans zip file here, and just extract the files. It is zip file, so you need to extract it using any extraction software, and it will take some time to extract. Just wait for it, and you can see our files have been extracted and it is our Netbeans folder. So first you need to open this etc folder, and from there open this netbeans.conf file with any text editor, and go to last of this file, and here you will find a file that netbeans jdk home equals to path to jdk. So first you need to uncomment this line, just remove this hash from this line, and you can also use search function if you are not able to find this. Just search netbeans or jdk home in your search. Just Ctrl plus F and search jdk home, and you can see there are many keywords matched to jdk home, and just find next until you find netbeans jdk home. And here in this you need to paste your path to jdk. So go to your java installation folder. So before that you need to install java before using netbeans, because it use jdk to run. So just go to program files or wherever you have installed java, and just java, and go open your jdk folder. So this is jre, java runtime environment. We don't need this, we need jdk, java development kit, and just copy this path. You need to copy full path. See program files is disk later, then internal folders, program files, java jdk with its version name 10.0.1, and again go to your netbeans folder, So just netbeans and etc and netbeans.conf, edit with your text editor, and here in this column, so just paste your path to JDK and just save this file, control S save, and close this file. And now you need to open NetBeans. So just go to this bin folder, and here you can see some files with NetBeans, and here netbeans.exe file, and here netbeans64.exe. So if you are using a 64-bit operating Windows operating system, you can use NetBeans 64. If you are using NetBeans Windows 32-bit operating system, you need to open NetBeans file. So how you can see your operating system type, just go to your my computer homepage, and go to properties, right click and go to properties, and here you can see your system type is my system type is 64-bit operating system. If your system type is 32-bit of operating 32-bit, then you will see 32-bit operating system. So I have the 64-bit operating system, so I will be opening this file netbeans 64. Just double click on it and you will see netbeans will be opened. And now you can see our netbeans IDE is starting, and here it is development version. And now you can see our IDE has been started, and by default it will support only Java programs. So if you want to run C++, Python, or any other, so you can just go to tools and install plugins. So just go to plugins and go to available plugins, and you can search for just like for C++, and you can need to install this C++ plugin to run C or C++ programs, or just search for Python here. So Python py, okay, sorry, thon Python, and you can install this plugin for Python. So like this you can run NetBeans 9 beta version. So guys, if you like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So bye, meet you in next video.